Hi, I'm Nadia Aziz. I'm with the Law Foundation of Silicon Valley. In this micro video, I'll be talking about segregation. Segregation, you might have heard about it. It exists when certain groups live in certain areas. So you might think back historically to where blacks were only able to live in certain communities and whites were only able to live in certain communities. Segregation is not a historical fact, though, and it still exists. Segregation is bad because it leads to unequal communities, lower opportunities for certain communities, and it leads to all of us living in less diverse communities. Segregation exists today because landlords sometimes make decisions about where people can live. For example, not renting to people with disabilities or not renting to families with children. Segregation can also exist because real estate agents will only show houses in certain communities to people of a certain race or a certain ethnicity. Segregation can also exist on a bigger scale because cities and counties make planning decisions that could lead to segregation. It's, for example, where a community puts its public transportation or puts its affordable housing could lead to segregation. The Law Foundation is working to try to end segregation. We do this by addressing individual fair housing discrimination complaints, but also working with cities and communities to look at the way that they plan their communities to make sure that communities are planned in the most integrated way. You can help. You can do this by letting us know about any fair housing complaints that you see, and by also getting involved with your city and communities when they make planning decisions to ensure that the planning decisions that are made lead to the most integrated communities.